BYON stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday is BYON Stock and Buy. I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. It's a pretty decent bullish market, you know, and with this in mind, I'm just, you know, hoping I see a double break so I can take it further up like before. It was a decent pull down and all that good jazz, and ultimately waiting for the same exact thing to happen. How would that look like though? Well, I want to see a little pull down here and then a shift. And if that does not happen, man, I don't freaking care. Right, like it's not that I'm married to BYON, you know, it's a solid pull up in a pull down. Well, the only thing that's actually left is just a confirmation in order for me to take it up, right? And we can even say, okay, we might feel this inefficiency, blah blah blah, but if I do not get the rules met, I'm not buying. You can see I have like 3 receipts in the Discord as well with BYON. So let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.